రాజ్యాంగ నిర్మాత డాక్టర్ బాబాసాహెబ్ అంబేడ్కర్ను అవమానించిన కాంగ్రెస్ ఇప్పుడు ఆయన నామస్మరణ చేయడం విడ్డూరంగా ఉందని బీజేపీ మండిపడింది. ఆయనకు కనీసం భారతరత్న కూడా ఇవ్వలేదని విమర్శించింది. అత్యవసర పరిస్థితి విధించి ప్రజాస్వామ్యం గొంతునొక్కిన హస్తం పార్టీ ఇప్పుడు రాజ్యాంగాన్ని కాపాడుతామంటూ ప్రగల్భాలు పలుకుతోందని బీజేపీ ఎంపీలు ధ్వజమెత్తారు.
Let me be very clear. Makkar Dwar is the main entry gate of the members of parliament to both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Congress and their other MPs kept on standing on that particular location, and they have been showing placards and doing all sloganeering for an entire session. Today, for the first time, the NDA MPs went there to protest against the insult of Ambedkar by Congress party since 1951. And all the Congress conduct of opposing reservations and insult of the SC, ST and OBC communities, for the first time the NDA MPs went there to protest. While the NDA MPs are on the protest at Makkar Dwar, the main gate, the Congress MPs led by Rahul Gandhi came and assaulted, pushed two MPs of BJP and pushed around other MPs also. Two of the BJP MPs, Pratap Singh Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, they received very grievous injury. So, I want to tell Rahul Gandhi, if you resort to this kind of physical violence, if other MPs also start resorting to physical violence, what will happen? We believe in democracy. You express peacefully. You have a right to expression. Speak whatever you want. This is a democratic country. Who has given authorized to Rahul Gandhi to use his physical power against other MPs? It doesn't mean that the other MPs are weak. It's only because we believe in non-violence and we believe in democracy. The Rahul Gandhi's physical attack against the MPs, it's a condemnable. It is a gross misuse of his anger, his frustration, and the way Rahul Gandhi has treated the parliament and the parliament process, that shows that Rahul Gandhi doesn't believe in democracy. I want to tell Rahul Gandhi, we will see what appropriate action we can take, but he must tender apology to the nation that he has used his physical strength against other MPs. We are not retaliating physically only because we believe in democracy.
इतिहास गवाह है कि किस तरह से नेहरू गांधी परिवार ने अंबेडकर जी का अपमान भी किया, राजनीति से बाहर करने का षड्यंत्र रचा। यहाँ तक कि नेहरू जी ने स्वयं चल के सभाएं डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के खिलाफ की और उनको चुनाव हरवाए और उनको मजबूर किया राजनीति छोड़ने पर। तीन पीढ़ियां, पंडित नेहरू, इंदिरा गांधी जी और राजीव गांधी जी, इन्होंने भारत रत्न बाबा साहब अंबेडकर को नहीं दिया। आज ऐसी कौन सी मजबूरी आ गई कि राहुल गांधी जी, प्रियंका गांधी जी को बाबा साहब अंबेडकर की फोटो लेके घूमना पड़ रहा है? जो गांधी परिवार उनकी ओर देखता नहीं था, अपमानित करता था, प्रताड़ित करता था, आज जब उनका चेहरा बेनकाब देश के सामने संविधान की चर्चा में हुआ है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इस देश में लोकतंत्र का गला घोटकर हत्या करी आपातकाल लगाकर, और अब ये संविधान को लहराकर संविधान के बड़े रक्षक बनने की एक पाखंड रच रहे हैं। इनको शर्म करनी चाहिए। आजीवन बाबा साहब अंबेडकर का इन्होंने अपमान करा, उन्हें भारत रत्न नहीं दिया। और आपको देखना होगा कि अगर किसी ने बाबा साहब अंबेडकर के आदर्शों को चरितार्थ करा, यदि संविधान को जीवंत रूप में भारत में लागू करा, तो वो है आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी।
राहुल गांधी और उनके साथियां जब यहाँ भारतीय जनता पार्टी संसद जो धरना प्रदर्शित किए जा रहे, हमारे उड़ीसा का सांसद घायल हो गया, उनके साथी जो धक्का मुक्की करने से अभी वो हॉस्पिटल ले गए। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने लोगों के दृष्टिकोण बदलने के लिए किस तरह नेहरू जी से लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी समय समय पर अंबेडकर जी को अपमान किया, उनको चुनाव में किस तरह कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हराया, और नेहरू सरकार से जब इस्तीफा दिया अंबेडकर जी ने, क्योंकि वो रिजर्वेशन के मुद्दे पर हो, नेहरू जी का रवैया था उसके खिलाफ था। जब अंबेडकर जी को हराना, भारत रत्न नहीं देना, उनका चित्रपट भी पार्लियामेंट में नहीं लगा, ये जब जिक्र किया संसद में गृह मंत्री ने, वो सहन ना पा रहे। आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ने दोनों सदनों को स्थगित करने का जो प्रयास चल रहा है, पूरा लोक को मालूम है मोदी जी ने किस तरह अंबेडकर जी को गौरव दिया और किस तरह उनके नाम पर आज अंबेडकर का जो चित्रपट है पार्लियामेंट सदन में लगाया गया और अंबेडकर जी का नाम पर 5 स्थलों पे, वहां पे जन्म स्थल से लेकर अंतिम यात्रा जहां हुआ, वो सब सरकार के माध्यम से किस तरह उसको आज बनाया जा रहा है, स्फूर्ति केंद्र बताया जा रहा है, शिक्षा केंद्र बताया जा रहा है। ये सब जितने अपमान कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किए, वो उनका पर्दाफाश हो गया। संविधान के ऊपर चर्चा करें, इसीलिए वो सही नहीं पा रहे।
Very sad to see that on the steps of the parliament someone is getting injured. This is a session that is very, dear for everyone, and the main reason being it's the 75th year of constitution being implemented, being brought into place, and we are celebrating this as this journey of 75 years of glorious journey that has happened. And this journey has happened because of Ambedkar ji, who has been the drafting committee chairman, and he was instrumental in bringing such a great constitution and one of the largest constitution anywhere in the world. He has brought this with all his experience of what he has gone through, what the discrimination he has gone through. With that experience, he made sure that no Indian citizen should face the discrimination. With that thought process, he has got this constitution 75 years back. It is a celebration of constitution. It is a celebration of Ambedkar ji and his life. So when this celebration is going on, every party across, there's no politics in this. Every party should come on board, and every party should participate in this celebration. And there's a discussion also that has happened for 2 days in the parliament celebrating this and mentioning the greatness of our constitution by various members of the parliament. So when this celebration is happening, incidents like this, what has happened today on the steps of the parliament, is very unforgiving.